Okay, guys. So let's continue to our new POTD. So what? We can see that it seems to be very easy that we have to only sort zero ones and twos, but they applied a condition over here that we have to sort out in big O and time and big O of one time complexity. So it makes this question to be at least of a good level or of a good level question that we can think in this that what we have to do to match these conditions. Okay, so mm, let's continue. Okay. Okay, so first approach that you can think of in this is that we can directly sort our let's say, mm, we can directly sort our element, sort our array, and we can return. Okay, we don't have to return. We only have to sort, and they already take care of the rest of the things. Okay, so that is our brute force approach of time complexity. We go of n log n. Okay, we go of n log n and space complexity of big O of one. Okay, so and we are going to discussing here the three approaches. Okay, so it's our first approach that is of brute force sorting of, and our second approach is that like we are only given zeros, ones, and twos. Okay, so first we can traverse the whole array, and we are making three variables. That is like one that is for counting of ones, and okay, like how many ones are there, and there is zero. Okay, and so zero is for counting the number of the zeros, and it's two also. Okay, so two is counting for the number of the twos in the given array. So these three variables we are taken care of. So, so we can traverse the whole array and count these numbers like number of ones, zeros, and twos. And after that, what we did, we can start traversing. Okay, so we can start reversing our given nums array, and first we can like what we yeah. So first we can insert the number of zeros that we are counted here, the number of ones, the number of two. So it is our final array, and we can we don't have to return. So this is our answer for the second approach. Okay, so now let's discuss about the third approach, which might be a good approach because the interviewer it also maybe happen that interviewer particularly asking this question for the third approach that I am going to discuss in here. So that is using the pointers. Okay, so let me take a example here of 0 2 1 2 0. Okay, so it's 0 2 1 0 2 1 2 0. Okay. So 0 1. Okay. So what I'm going to hear that if you think that we have given three values, three distinct values, that is zero, that is one, that is two. Okay. So what if we take the three pointers and that each pointer taken care of their respective value? Like if we take an I pointer that is take care of zero, I will take a J pointer that is take care of the number of ones, and we take a K pointer that is take care of the values of the number of substitutes in our array. Okay, so I'm also going to take the same variables here also. Okay, so okay, so first I initialize both I and j to the number of zeros and ones are at index value 0. Okay. And I am initializing the k pointer at here from the last of the array. So it might be a question in your mind that why we are choosing I and j here, and K is zero. Okay. So and the simple answer to this question is that here we are going to the number of toes. So that is according to the K answer, and we also know that all the toes are at the ending of the array. So that's why I am taking the K pointer at the last, and I at Z is starting because zeros and ones are coming in the starting side, and we have to swipe out in the starting for the number of zeros and ones. Okay, so like I said, that is the J pointer is for pointing the number of ones. So I am only take care of the J because if I arrange all the ones to their respective position, then the zeros comes this side and one are crucial part of our question. So one is comes in this and twos are coming in this side. So then all our setup is I have to say that complete. Okay, so. Okay, so it is better that if I understand you by using the code that I have written here. Okay, so let me copy it if it is possible here. Mm, now, yeah, okay. So the code is copied. Okay, okay. So what I am doing here is that I will first take care of the take care of the size of the array that I have given here, and I am said that I am taking I and j to the here, yeah, I am j to the starting of the array and k at the last of the array. So that is same I am doing here. Okay, so yeah, and after that what I am doing that I am only focusing you see here that I am only focusing on the j, like what is the value of the nums of the j. Okay, so if the mine value of nums of j is 0, then what I have to do is that I am swapping out the I and j because at the place of the I, at the place of the I, 0 should be there. Okay, so I am swapping the value of nums of I and j, and I am increasing both the pointers of I and j. So, and if I am finding a number at nums of j is 1, so then the value 1 at its correct position. So I don't need to swap out that. And if our nums of j is 2, then what I have to do? You can easily understanding that the k pointer is pointing the number of rows. So the value of j at is 2. Okay. So what you are also saying that we have to swap out the it with k value. Yeah, you are right. So we have to swap out it with k value. So k value I am swapping out and I am decreasing the k pointer also. Here I am not increasing my j pointer because it may be happen that 2 is here and 1 is here, or it may be 0. Okay. Yeah, it is okay. So if it is 0, then if I am swapping out, then 0 and 2 is here. After swapping out the nums of j and nums of k. So then I have to swap out nums of j with nums of I also. So I don't like I don't have to increase the I pointer, j point sorry, j pointer here. So I have to only increase the uh, decrease the k pointer, that is toward the starting of the array. Okay, so that's my solution, and yeah, you can see here the code also same. I am understanding that code. Okay, so in this question, that approach is more important than the solution of accepting it and be happy. So pick off and pick off one in this constant. The approach is good. Okay, so thank you, and if this video is good, then please subscribe and like. And if you have any suggestion, then you can also give that. Thank you.